me answer a very confusing question. People ask, what should I call myself? Should I call myself a hypnotherapist, a hypnotist, advanced hypnotherapist, conversational hypnotherapist, NLP, clinical this, doesn't matter, guys. Whatever you call yourself does not matter. If you're spending longer than 5 seconds worrying what to call yourself, that's 5 seconds in all the wrong places. Clients do not care. Clients don't care how you do things, how you heal them, what type of hypnotherapy you use, what type of NLP or coaching you use. It does not matter. When people asked in the past, what did your lawyers call you? They called me Scott, because that's my name. And that's how I promote myself. Even my company name, the company I run my LTD Pty through is scottjansen.com.au. I use my name because I want people to know me, not what I do. I'm not going to get any more clients if I call myself a hypnotherapist instead of a coach. People say, well, aren't you a business coach? No, I'm just Scott. I don't care what people call me. This is what I call myself. Clients do not care. All they care about is results. So you can call yourself clinical, this, hypnotherapy, that, conversational, doesn't matter. I highly recommend, I tell all my students is just use your name, have people call you by your name. What you call yourself is irrelevant. If you're wondering about what to call yourself because you want to put this name on your business card, again, you're worrying about all the wrong things. Doesn't matter how you do things, what you do. It's about how you help people and the results you get. That's essentially what you could be known for. Use your name, use that. Very, very simple. Forget about the hypnotherapy label and all that sort of stuff.